Hello everyone, Steve Gans here, and I'm super excited to be celebrating my YouTube channel approaching 1,000 subscribers in just a few short months. To thank you all for your amazing support, I've got some incredible special offers coming your way over the next few weeks. The Wheel is the first one that I'm going to share with you, and it's a fantastic way to boost your returns while keeping risk low. And for a limited time, I want to offer you a free special video introduction to the Wheel along with a downloadable .pdf diagram to walk you through the entire process. Look for the link down below in the description. On top of that, you'll also be subscribed to my exclusive weekly options trading and investing newsletter that's packed with insights and tips that I've picked up over 30 years in the markets, plus the knowledge I picked up in my time teaching with institutions like Option Alpha, Online Trading Academy, OptionStrat, Arrowmere, and others. If the Wheel strategy sounds interesting to you, you need to check out my premium community and alert service as well. In this community, I not only share my live options trades, adjustments, and closings that I make for income, along with a little video explaining each and every change I'm making, but starting in June of 2024, I'm building a brand new Wheel trade channel from the ground up. It's going to be part of that overall community. So join me as I walk you through the entire process of the Wheel, from selecting the perfect long-term investment stock to structure the Wheel around, to every step of entry, management, rolling the options, and ultimately exiting the trade. Now, normally my alert service is $149 a month, but to celebrate 1,000 subscribers, I'm offering you the same incredible price that I gave to my existing community members at the beginning of this last year, which is just $79 a month. Or I also have an annual price that gets you 2 months for free as well. I'll include that link down below too in case you're interested in that. So, are you ready to start trading next level and unlock the secrets of options trading and specifically the Wheel strategy? If you are, join my community today. Your journey to smarter investing starts right now. Click the link below to learn more and secure your spot for this special price. Thanks so much, everyone.